us about your project, please?
Sure. I'm like presenting edible waterfalls. It's like a blob that you can drink it, and when you end drinking it, you will end with like an algae that you can eat, and nothing will happen. It's just like water. But and I wanted to do this project because I want to really join with the pollution, because animals in the sea suffocate every day because people throw plastic and no one cares. So I want to end with that.
What I created here was a way to produce electricity in a cleaner way to prevent climate change and without polluting the environment. So this project uses something called anaerobic bacteria, and I'm going to explain it in a really simple way. The bacteria pass through the cables, through the resistor. The electrons pass through the resistor to something that can accept these electrons. In this case, oxygen, because I use water pumps. The water pumps receive these electrons, and in a simple way, as the electrons pass from one chamber to another, they create enough friction to produce electricity.
I made an app that it's able to diagnose you and tell you if you have depression. And if it is so, it gives you a therapy in which you can have some jokes, tips to relax you, quotes to inspire you, and other stories.
My project was about fruit bars and how to combat South America using different fruit bars. And I think this innovation fair project was better than last year's because as it was a fixed subject, I think it helped people have a better idea on what to do and what to say. We had also, I think, more time to prepare.
I don't know if we all agree, but I think we actually enjoyed doing this project by being together, and it was really fun. My project relates to global warming because I think that by planting more seeds, we would have like more air, and also because when for example, if the temperature of the atmosphere changes, I'm going to figure out in which way there will be like more plants in the world.
Very good.
In the cold or in the hot weather.
Okay. Can you tell us about your experience this year, please, at the Innovation Fair?
Yes, I'm very happy to have been a judge. I have liked very much to have been asked, and I like the experience.
Pareció que todos los proyectos fueron muy originales, muy bien pensados. Los niños trabajaron en equipo, demostraron que cada quien había aportado mucho al proyecto con ideas muy originales. Cada quien demostró el trabajo que había hecho dentro del proyecto y sabían lo que estaban haciendo, no estaban inventando, había un proceso de investigación, siguieron todos sus métodos científicos muy bien. Se notó en la presentación de ellos que había interacción con los profesores.
You know, it's been wonderful. I've really been surprised by the quality of especially their boards this year as compared to last year. So
That's really interesting, because we actually asked the art department to help us with the boards this year, so I think that must be why. Are there any other differences you've noticed between last year and this year?
I think that the kids actually understand the process better. When I asked about procedure, they could truly tell me about it, especially the fifth graders. I was impressed by their ability to talk about the scientific method, so I was happy to hear that.
It's very good. I'll tell their teacher. Can you tell us whether you noticed math, science, technology in the projects that you judged?
I could definitely tell the math and the science for all of them that I was at. In terms of technology, I would say probably I've been to about 7, and only 2 to me really stood out with technology, such as using a smartphone or some sort of computer to help them in terms of the math. But so I wouldn't say the technology piece was as visible as the other 2 disciplines.
Yeah. Okay.